Welcome to Simple Daily English. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm usually the organized one. I like plans. I like schedules. But today is a total disaster. My friend Max is the problem. He is not a morning person. He is a sleep until noon person. This is the story of how a missing shoe, a cold piece of toast, and a forgotten wallet almost ruined our big trip to the city. Max, what are you doing?
I'm making breakfast.
The bus leaves in 12 minutes.
Hang on. The toaster is being slow.
The toaster? We need to leave the house now.
I can't travel on an empty stomach. I get grumpy.
You're already grumpy. You're joking, right? We've been planning this trip for weeks.
I know. It's the big concert.
Exactly. It's the concert of the year. If we miss this bus, the next one isn't until noon.
Why is the next one so late?
Because it's a holiday, Max. Everything is slower today.
Relax, Lily. It's not a big deal. We have plenty of time.
No, we don't. It takes 10 minutes to walk to the station. Do the math, Max. 12 minus 10 is 2. We only have 2 minutes to spare.
Okay. You're right. I'm going.
Good. Go get dressed. Put some clothes on.
I just need to find my sneakers.
You haven't put your shoes on yet? I'm losing my mind here.
I left them by the sofa last night. I'm sure of it. Uh-oh.
What do you mean, uh-oh? Uh-oh is a bad sound.
Only one shoe is here. The left one is missing.
Max, this is exactly why I told you to pack last night. We are running late.
Maybe the dog took it. Cooper, did you take my shoe?
The dog didn't take your shoe. You are just messy.
It's not under the chair. It's not under the table.
Check the kitchen.
Not there. Check the balcony.
Why would your shoe be on the balcony?
I don't know. I was tired last night. I was eating pizza.
10 minutes left. We are officially in trouble.
Found it. It was inside my gym bag for some reason.
Great. Put it on. Grab your coat. Let's move.
Wait, one more thing.
What now?
Where are the tickets?
I have them in my bag. I told you, I'll handle it. I've got the digital copies and the printouts.
You printed them? Why?
Because technology fails, Max. Paper doesn't have a low battery.
You are so dramatic. Wait. Where is my phone?
You are kidding me. Max, we have 8 minutes left now.
I just had it. It was in my hand.
Was it in the bathroom?
No. Maybe the kitchen?
I'm leaving. I'm walking out the door right now. I am not missing this concert because of you.
No, wait. Found it. It was on the charger. Okay, I'm ready. Let's run.
Now what? Why are you stopping?
My wallet. It's not in my pocket.
Max, please. Tell me you are joking. This is a prank, right?
I'm not joking. I need my ID for the concert. They won't let me in without it.
Where did you have it last? Think.
I bought pizza last night. It might be in the kitchen or the pocket of my jeans from yesterday.
Check the jeans. Fast. I will wait here. 5, 4, 3.
Ouch, my toe, my poor toe.
Forget your toe. Find the wallet. We can go to the hospital tomorrow.
Found it? It was in the jeans. Okay, now I am 100% ready. I have the phone. I have the wallet. I have both shoes.
We have 6 minutes. We have to sprint. Do you remember how to sprint?
Like a professional athlete. Let's go.
Faster, Max. I can see the bus station at the end of the street.
I'm trying. This backpack is heavy.
Why is your backpack so heavy anyway? We are only going for 1 day.
I packed 3 portable chargers and a bottle of water and some snacks.
We are going to a city, Max. They have shops. They have water.
But my snacks are better.
Look, the bus is there. The doors are open. People are getting on.
We can make it. Run!
Oh no. The light is red. We have to wait to cross the street.
No cars are coming. Let's just run across.
No, stay here. It's dangerous. Safety first.
The driver is checking the last passenger's ticket. Lily, we are going to miss it by 10 seconds.
Come on, Green light. Come on. Turn green. Hey, wait. Stop. Don't leave.
Stop the bus, please.
No, stop. This can't be happening.
Wait, please. We have tickets.
We made it. My lungs are on fire.
See? I told you. We had plenty of time.
Don't say a word. If you say that again, I will leave you in the city.
You too lucky? I usually don't stop once I pull out.
Thank you so much, sir. Really. My friend is just a bit slow in the morning.
I prefer the term relaxed. I am a relaxed person.
He's lucky I didn't leave him at home.
Hey, look at the bright side. We are on the bus. We have the tickets. And look, I still have my toast.
You still have the toast? After all that running?
It's a bit flat. It has some lint on it. Want a bite?
Just sit down, Max. Put your seatbelt on. Let's enjoy the trip.
Next time, let's take the noon bus. It's much less stressful.
Next time, I'm booking a taxi just for myself. And I'm giving you the wrong address for the station.
You love our friendship too much to do that.
Try me.